But first, in Broad Ripple at the Arts Center and at Mound State Park in Anderson, you will soon be able to enjoy functional and non-functional art pieces along the White River. They're being designed and built by Ball State architectural students. 24 Hour News 8's education reporter Leslie Olson shows us a pavilion in the making that will bring the river closer to visitors.
A bluff overlooking the White River in Mound State Park is a popular place for hikers to take it all in. The sounds of nature are momentarily interrupted as Ball State architecture students begin putting the pieces of their jigsaw puzzle together.
Stand it up.
When finished, this will be a covered bench facing the river. Instead of using the traditional architectural tools of paper and pencil, they designed a 3D model on computer and used digital technology to cut the materials. The sounds of the river drove the project. The students learned that the gurgling sounds come up the bluff from an angle.
The sounds of the river will actually be amplified because the design will catch all of that and channel it to the observer.
The design itself is shaped by the kind of environmental forces, things like sun, sound, light, air, all these things, how they're feeding into this place where we're standing right now.
The selection site was also important. Mound State Park is the burial grounds of several Indian tribes dating back to 160 BC.
We tried to really understand the history. We had a lot of lectures.
The project has changed the way Katie Marinaro views architecture. For her, it's no longer just about how aesthetically pleasing a design is.
Instead of looking at how it'll look in the end, more so taking into account the environment and letting that shape the appearance more.
More and more Ball State students in many disciplines will become involved in projects like this. That's because Ball State's new president, Joe Angora, is a big advocate of immersion education, or hands-on learning.
Hopefully, this becomes a place for people just to contemplate not only the environment, but technology.
In Madison County, Leslie Olson, 24 Hour News 8.
The bench, valued at $20,000, is made from red oak and ash, donated by the Indiana Hardwood and Lumbermen's Association. It will sit on a platform made from limestone donated by the Indiana Limestone Fabricators. Another Ball State piece will be unveiled in time for the Broad Ripple Art Fair, May 20th.